Hello again. For today's video, we are going to make Chile Verde. I wonder if I can get text here and there.
So Chile Verde is a recipe that I actually just recently learned. I'm not gonna call myself like a Chile Verde expert by any means. It's a food that I made for my family in quarantine and they loved it. It was fun, it was different, it was kind of out of the box. I thought, why not share this recipe with you all, and maybe you guys can go ahead and make it for your families or loved ones or whomever you're with, or if you're home alone. It's kind of a fun thing to make and you can enjoy it yourself. Also, disclaimer, Chile Verde is typically and traditionally made with pork, but because my family doesn't really love pork that much, we are gonna make Chile Verde with shredded chicken. So here we go. Let's do it. The most important ingredient of Chile Verde is gonna be tomatillos. Tomatillos look like this. You're gonna need to basically take off the paper. They're gonna have kind of a sticky consistency. Just wash them really well. In these quarantine days, maybe you wanna just like add a little soap, add a little Listerine, not Listerine, what's it called? Lysol. Make sure all the germs are dead. We're gonna be using jalapenos. So I have jalapenos. If you have serrano pepper, that's great. Honestly, I think they may have gone, whoop. Nope, they have not gone bad. A handful of parsley, garlic, and onion as well. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients. I've washed them all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into the oven for a little while. I'm gonna check on it every now and then, make sure that it's not too burnt, but I wanna get them all nice and roasted to get that taste, flavor, and feel. While that is roasting and toasting in the oven, start making the chicken. I want it to be juicy. Chicken gets real dry, real fast. I'm gonna go ahead and actually poach these. But the key is how you boil the chicken and how the water is flavored. Okay, so once this guy fills up a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding all the spices. I'm gonna be adding salt, garlic, oregano, etc. Making sure that the water is super seasoned is very important for the chicken flavor. The first time I poached chicken, it tasted like a literal chicken, like in a bad way, because I just put it in water with like a little bit of salt. This time we're gonna go ham with the salt. We're gonna put a ton of spices in it. We're gonna put a nice onion in it, and just making sure that that chicken has a ton of flavor. I feel like hocus pocus. Hold on. Okay, so as all this goodness is boiling, let's go ahead and check on our tomatillos. Oh my God, yum. The jalapeno and the onion already smells amazing. I would say that we took these guys out at the perfect time because, obviously that was hot. Why did I touch it? It's not too late because none of them have popped yet. Yay, that's a good thing. Last time I popped one. So everything looks great. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop them into the blender. Added all my roasted ingredients. I like to keep the seeds in because I'm dangerous. If you guys wanna go ahead and seed it, no shame. I won't judge you because I won't know. And let's just start blending this baby up. Oh my God, it actually already smells like heaven and it looks like a masterpiece. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt, some room at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and put in that parsley. Bet you forgot about that parsley, didn't you? Honestly, this is the most gorgeous green, like, concoction I've ever seen. Maybe this should be a St. Patty's Day dish. I take that back. Was that offensive? I'm also gonna add a little bit of lime juice to my green concoction, mainly because it's also green. So I wanted, you know, the lime to join the party. Hello, little chicken. Chicken. Oh, chicken is a little bit overcooked. All right. So I'm very excited because the chicken actually came out perfectly. Basically, come on, get out. The chicken is just like, it's not pink, but it's also not like gray and like shrivelly. Not that it should ever be gray, but it's been gray for me before. It's perfect. What we're gonna do is grab 2 forks, jam a fork in the chicken on one end, and then get another fork and basically just start like shredding. It's kind of a good arm workout. Talk about quarantine workouts. I want you to be able to see the magic. And you just keep shredding, honestly. Shred like there's no tomorrow. It is honestly falling off the bone, even though there is no bone.
It smells so good.
It's really, really good if you want to try some. Shoko smells it too. It's not live. You're not hiding from anyone. Okay, ladies and gents. So now we are going to combine the shredded chicken and the Chile Verde sauce together into our pot and we're gonna make the magic happen. So let's do it. Beautiful, we have our chicken. Now let's go ahead and pour our gorgeous magic green sauce. Okay, so now we are just mixing all this stuff together. Looking gorgeous. Okay guys, so normally you would need chicken stock, but I just checked the cabinet and for some reason we don't have any, which is bizarre because I just got a lot of it. So what we're gonna do is get creative, use the chicken stock that we actually just made. What do you think I'm talking about? Let me show you. Water that we use for the chicken as our chicken stock because it's tasty AF. Let's see how it's doing because I'm very impatient. It's looking spectacular. It's tasting spectacular. Now the key to this is for it to all simmer and come together. Oh, I almost forgot because I literally always forget the bay leaf. I really could not tell you what a bay leaf does. It's always called for in every recipe and the recipes usually turn out good. So let's use one of these. There she goes. We're gonna leave her. We're gonna go shower. We're gonna go relax. We're gonna go have a glass of wine and we're gonna come and check on her. Don't be shy. Have some more. Are you ready for the final product? Show it. Wow! It's actually perfect. Chile Verde, the non-traditional way with Rox Bay. Cheers.